the idea is you're getting together in teams and you're going to decide to divide up those 6 problems so that you'll have maybe 2 or 3 of you that specialize in a problem. And it's not enough to just come up with an answer. Answers are not good enough. We're interested in seeing a full solution. Does that make sense? In other words, you can't just put a number down or some other answer. You need to show each team that works and specializes on a problem needs to actually show their understanding of it in addition to the answer.
Question number 2. 3 darts are thrown at the dartboard shown. A miss scores 0 points. The 3 scores are added together. Find the least whole number total score that is impossible to achieve.
What number are you guys doing?
I'm doing number 1. I'm never wrong.
I have that for posterity's sake now, Stephen. I have it on film that he said I'm never wrong.
Get up and present. On problem 1? Okay, come on up.
You have to figure out what each letter means. So if you have one letter means something, like say E means 0, the other E also has to be 0, and it needs to be 9 because we can only carry 1 from the column before. So this column has to carry 1, so it can have something here too.
Which each one was multiplied. See, we separated them with using PEMDAS. We separated each of them and we multiplied, and then we got all the way up to 11.
The seeds, as you can see, and then we solved them. And after solving them, we added them. So that's how we have this answer.
We're also able to realize a pattern. So if anything right here, if it ends in a 0, the number next to it can always have a 1 added. For example, this in 4 and 5, it'd be 3 and 1, and then 3, 1, and 1. Because it's above it and there's a 0, you could just add a 1. And then that's pretty much it.
So we have 5 different towns, A, B, C, D, and E. But every time you go from a different town, there's always one less. So, option. So if you start from A, you have 4. And then you do B, 3, C, 2, D, 1, and E, 0. So then we did 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which was 24. And this part, we were just showing us how we got our answer.
So it was, if you start at 3 and count by 4, be the nth number. What is the value of n? So right here, we did, knowing that 4 times 5 equals 20, and 4 times 10 equals 40, we started at 3, which is 1, and then added 40.
We mentioned it, but the judges also get points. We can, if we feel like neither team completely got something, or that both of the teams didn't quite get all the way, the judges can take some points. So the good news is that the judges were the losers.
Yeah.
Which means you both did better, both of your teams did better than the judges. How about that, right? Cool.
That's the way we like it.
So the winning team was from Sullivan.
Yeah!